Hi, I'm Dave Sullivan, District Attorney for the Northwestern District. The Northwestern District is comprised of Hampshire and Franklin counties and the town of Athol. Each year, 9,000 cases are filed in the Northwestern District. That means thousands of you are thrust into the criminal justice system as either victims or witnesses. The vast majority of people have had no experience with the criminal justice system. My staff is a trained group of professionals, victim witness advocates, that will be with you every step of the way. They'll introduce you to the court process and lead you through every step that's involved in the criminal justice system. We'll make sure that we advocate for you, we fight for your rights as a victim, and we make sure that justice is done.
The District Attorney's Office represents the citizens of the Commonwealth. If you happen to be a victim of or witness in a criminal case, you'll be assigned a victim witness advocate who will work with you throughout the process. The essence of victim advocacy is to try to prevent second injury from being inflicted on citizens who come through the criminal justice process. As advocates, we are the gatekeepers of the criminal justice system. We're the professionals who work with the assistant district attorneys as your case proceeds through the system. It's our job to educate, inform, and assist you in any way possible to get you through this process.
20 years ago, I lost my daughter and grandson in domestic violence murder. And what helped me most was instant happened. Within hours, Northampton District Attorney's Office sent a victim witness to my house because I was not able to get out of the house. And she came over and she explained to me step by step what's coming to us, what is the court process is going to be. And that was really first time I heard the vocabulary of grand jury to the sentencings to other. I never knew anything about court system because I never was in the courthouse before.
The court process is not what you see on television. The first step in this process is the arraignment session. At this session, a defendant is formally charged and enters a plea, most often a not guilty plea. The court will then set a pretrial hearing date. It's at this date that the defense attorney and assistant district attorney will conference the case. Oftentimes, cases can be disposed of at this process. You have a right to be present as a victim or a witness at any of these court hearings, and we encourage you to do so.
In 1984, Massachusetts was one of the first states to enact the Victims' Bill of Rights. It was a groundbreaking piece of legislation. It gave victims the right to be part of the court process, and that right is given to every victim in the state of Massachusetts. The rights are to be informed of the court process, to be notified if there are going to be any cancellations of the court process, to attend all hearings if they choose to be helpful as to referrals in the social service agencies. At the conclusion of the criminal case, victims can write and express a victim impact statement. It is their opportunity to get up and face the defendant and to explain the impact of the crime on them and their families.
Massachusetts continues to be at the forefront of victim rights. These rights give all victims and witnesses a voice in the criminal justice system and the right to participate.
Please know, if you ever find yourself a victim of crime, there will always be an advocate at the District Attorney's Office to help you through the process.
Most victims has no idea what's going to happen in the trial. But if you have any question, you ask victim witness, and she will get an answer for you because she knows the whole thing.
We hope that by working together, that we help you, whether as a victim, a witness, or a family member. We want to make sure that we help you seek justice in your case, and we want to make sure that every step of the way that our prosecutors and victim witness advocates are there to help you.